How to clean up laptop to run faster. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run. Click on search bar and type Run. In here, type clean mgr. After that, click on OK or click on Enter. Select the file. From here, select the file you want to remove, which is not necessary. Simply to make sure it's deleted, make sure there's tick mark in the box. After you're done selecting the file, simply press on OK and click on Delete Files. Your files will be deleted permanently. Simply click on Delete and you're good to go. That's how to make your computer speed up 200% faster for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.